Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing question number 643, maximum average subarray. I looked at it a little while and got a bit confused, but I can explain it to you now. So basically, with this simple task, we have you're given a nums array. It consists of an integer element and an integer k. This integer k basically works by we have to find a continuous subarray whose length is equal to k. So by that it means like, so the continuous subarray, so 1 2 3 4, this is the 4, this is the continuous, most important thing is continuous, that has the maximum average value and return this value. Any answer with the calculation error less than 10 to the power 5 will be accepted. So it's basically simple. It's simply saying that yeah, like it will we have this array 1 12 5 6 1 6 53 and k is 4. So what we need to do is continuous. So 1 5 minus 5 and 6, this is the first continuous, and then we keep going and we keep going until basically we go through this entire array until we find what is the maximum average. So we add it together, divided by 4, which is the k, and that gives us obviously 51 divided by 4, which is 12.2. That is the maximum, and that's basically us using the sliding window method going through it. So how do we do this? Really simple. The first thing we're going to be doing is a double, because we're going to be working with remainders, and I spelled it wrong. Double, and then we just say current sum is equal to 0. So we're just basically like we're just instantiating the variable, and we just say and basically if you use example 2, 5 is equal to k to 1 is like 5.00. So we have to consider that our current sum could just be our first letter. So we'll just do 4, not letter, first part of the element 4, and we'll say int I is equal to 0, and then this is the important part, but I is smaller than k. So we're just basically going only up to k right now, and we say I plus plus. So here we'll only go up to, let's say 1 2 3 4. We'll just get the current sum of this. So in simple terms, again, we'll just say current sum. So now we're updating that in a variable that we instantiated. Plus equals I did it wrong. Plus equals nums at basically I. So we're just going through each part in the array, in the nums array that we have taken in, and we're basically adding it. Simple, really. But then we're just saying make another variable called double. We add another double, and we say max sum is equal to the current sum. So we just take the current sum. So basically, this is our current maximum sum, what we can get, and that is, you know, whatever that is added together. The reason we'll do this is at the end we need to divide it to get the you know, maximum average. So let's carry on doing that. So again, now we've got that. Now we've got the initial first 4, or in this one, for example, 1 2 3 4 maximum current sum. What we need to do is go through the rest of them. So again, we go through, say 4, and we just say int at I equals to k. So what we're saying is whatever k is, we're going to be starting from there. So because we've already added the initial ones up here, up to k, we've gone up to k. Now we're saying whatever it is, so it's 1 2 5 6. We're going to be starting from the k, which is 4. 0 1 2 3 4. We're going to start from 50. So now we say yi is smaller than nums dot length. So we say I plus plus. So we don't want to go obviously beyond it, and then we just say current sum. So our current sum, right? What is our current sum? Is equal to current sum, right, minus nums at I minus k. The reason we do I minus k is because whatever our current I is, right? So let's say our current I is so 0 1 2 3 4 minus 4, right? What we do is we do I minus k. So I minus k, we ignore this, right? Ignore this, and we say plus nums at I. So we're basically going to go up to, so we're going to be going up to here, including this, plus 1. So we're going to be making a new array. So just to give you another example, we say that, we say that we'll be only going up to, so we say nums at 0, right, will be, so I minus k, nums at 0 will be 1, and nums at I, which is obviously equal to 4, will be 50. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we ignore the 1 bit because it'll be 0. So 4 minus I minus 4, which is 0 basically. We ignore this one. And then we proceed to now, after we've done that, we basically just say, we just update our current variable. We say if current sum is greater than maximum sum, then again we just say max sum is equal to current sum. Really simple. And then we just finish it off by, at the end, outside the brackets, after we've gone through the entire array, we just say return max sum, just to get the average. Oops, I didn't copy it correctly. Divided by k. Oops, I made it return max sum divided by k, and that's it. So if we run it, int I, oh, oops, mistake. Okay, accepted, and we submit it. Okay, yeah, it was accepted. Beat 61, not the best, but is what it is. And yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, I'll publish a solution, and C#, simple, easy, and that's it. Post. Thank you, and yep, bye.